Want to know the details of the project and what comes next? The Solar SME app is here to save your day. Now you can get everything at one stop. Communicate with our team, monitor your project, write reviews, and submit referrals to win exciting cash prizes. What can you achieve with the Solar SME app? Communication. You don't have to call your project manager about every little detail. Instead, you can chat with them at any time you want. Get in touch with just one tab. Record keeping. The application will help you keep a record of all the important documents throughout the project. Project stages. You can see the progress of your project through the project stage feature. It helps you to see where you stand and what to expect next. Monitoring.
After installation, you can monitor and manage your power usage through the app monitoring feature. Just log in to your respective system and start monitoring.
Wallet. Keep an eye on your earnings. Get track of your referral submission earnings through your personal wallet. Reviews. You can now submit a review of the services you receive on our different platforms. Access all platforms from a single app. Submit a referral. Want to win a prize worth $1,000 and more? Submit a referral through our app and get a chance to win different cash prizes on every referral you submit. You will earn your first reward of $50 immediately when your referral completes an appointment with us. Up to $1,000 when they get installation services and $500 on every 5 leads you submit. Get your hands on these exciting features and download the application from Play Store and App Store. Thank you for watching. Give a thumb up if you liked the video and please subscribe Solar SME YouTube channel for more useful solar content.